All right, today I have the Lazle automatic blood pressure monitor. This is a fairly popular blood pressure monitor that I'll be unboxing and setting up today. Some of the details that it describes on the side of the box is that it has an intelligent pressurized design, advanced accuracy, extra large display, irregular heartbeat detection, WHO classification indication, for those of you who don't know. It is World Health Organization, and 2-user 99 readings. So 2 users can have up to 99 readings stored up into this device right here. We're going to go ahead and open this up, but before we do that, let's take a look on the side where it shows you a little bit of how it's set up. It says apply cuff to the upper arm, to the left upper arm. It shows in detail how to do it. It says the bottom edge of the cuff should be 2 to 3 centimeters above the elbow. Air tube is on the inside of your arm and aligned with your middle finger. And then apply cuff to the right arm. The air tube will be at the side of your elbow. Be careful not to rest your arm on the air tube. So important instructions. And read all the instructions before you actually use this device right here. But let's go ahead and open this up from the top. All right, so inside it looks like some sort of case right here. Let's go ahead and pull this out. And inside is a case, a nice case that the Lazle blood pressure monitor can be stored in. It says Lazle on the top. And I'm just going to go ahead and unzip this and pull out the Lazle. So here it is right here, the back, the side, and then the top of it right here. It looks like some sort of plug. What we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and peel off the safety protection top of the Lazle. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull out some of the material that's inside. So one of the things that it shows is fitting the cuff. It shows you exactly how to fit the cuff on your arm before taking a reading. It's important that you read this yourself before you actually do it. Important instructions. And here is a USB to USB mini plug, which I'll go ahead and unravel. So that's USB to USB mini right there. Place this to the side. Here is the actual cuff that goes around the arm. And even on the cuff comes instructions on how to use. It says left arm, put it this way. For those of you who have a left arm. And it's the cuff, and it comes with an air tube already connected to it. Right there. Air tube. What else is inside of the bag of goodies? There are batteries to be installed. So let's go ahead and install the batteries into the Lazle blood pressure cuff monitor. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and open up these batteries. There's 4 AA batteries. And I'm just going to unravel them and sit these to the side. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the batteries in. Now, if you look at the back of the batteries, the back of the device, it shows how the batteries are supposed to go in. You see right here, the AA goes into the back. The negative side goes against the spring, and the positive, the nipple side goes against the springy side. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in here like the instructions are telling me, or the diagram. Just place these in here. and then place the back on, and it lights up. But before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and plug in this right here. This is the cuff air hole. Plug that all the way in. And then I'm going to go ahead and do what the design says and put this on. It says right here. All right, so left arm, so you put it in this way and make sure the tube is up top. So when you do this, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on exactly like the cuff is telling me. The air tube is supposed to be in line with the middle finger, and I'm going to put my arm in this exactly like it's saying. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to put the Velcro and in line with my middle finger like it says. Just like that. All right, so it's in line with my middle finger. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Now, it's important that you read the instructions because I'm just doing this, going through this for the video purposes, just to get a demonstration. So it's important that you read the instructions and abide by the instructions that the manufacturer had provided with your device. And I'm just going to go ahead and press the power button. And it automatically starts doing it. And it shows that my blood pressure is 126 over 74. All right, so, and it also gives a pulse right here. It gives a pulse of what the pulse is. And I'm just going to do it whenever I take my blood pressure. I always like to do it twice in order to get an accurate reading. Maybe I didn't put it on right, so I just readjust the blood pressure cuff. Make sure it's in line like it says, it says I'm supposed to have it. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on and get my blood pressure one more time. So let me go ahead and do that. And immediately it starts to pump up. Any second right now. The air is deflating from out of the cuff and the Lazle. So it's checking it again. So it's 126 over 80. So it's pretty accurate. So 126 over 80, and my pulse is at 78. All right, so that's a blood pressure monitor, but that is the blood pressure monitor by Lazle. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.